3 pockets, 4, I guess. 13, 14. I don't know. I am a flag person, okay? What? I'm on there. I'm doing that.
You can do that.
You just want to sit by you anyway.
Yeah.
What? I know.
You want me just like that? Tell me you want to do it. No.
Mom, get her with a screenshot.
Mom, you
Sorry.
behind.
Let the screenshot.
You want to wake
Cody, get in here.
I'm doing this.
Just do it quickly. Just do this quickly, please.
Sam, leave me alone.
Please.
Leave me alone.
Hey, yourself.
You probably couldn't give those away on the street today.
Maybe even has a great ski and all that.
I can't do it by myself unless it's just my video.
Just said Cody's not here right now, but I am.
I can't talk for the music.
That's okay. I think I got like 4,000.
What do you want to do? Just go from wave?
I just need him in it for like 2 seconds.
I'm not doing it right now.
Let me finish, okay? I'm not doing it.
Right. But she did look right place. Base. Sword base. No?
There'll probably be a bunch of inserts in that.
How do you tell which one
Alright,
is your
I guess.
That's the base, right?
I'm guessing this is a gold. I don't know. That. Don't know.
It's black. It's a red.
Not down there. Go crazy.
Why would you not have a face?
It is. Right
I
here.
mean, like, why wouldn't you like turn it around so that you can see it?
Oh my gosh.
You can.
No, I'm like, so that he can see it while he's taking it.
I don't even know.
Oh, he's the one to do that.
Why don't you screw up anyways?
You do that for 2 second thing. Here's a brother.
Freaking God.
Okay? Here's a Cody.
I don't care.
Okay.
I'm gonna snap. Literally hurt you.
Are you gonna make more right now?
Yeah.
Apparently it's a team blue. So, yeah.
I mean, beside, they pray a lot. You should hear us all the time.
We see some of them.
It's like, I see, most of them know I'm not fast enough.
And that.
Right, who's the other one? Got me here, got me there. You just saw him. Still the thrill.
Can I find anything good this time? Oh no. Well, you must have got some good ones.
No, I'm just putting them in a pile. It's just I swear to God, those jerseys for Dallas are gross.
Somebody that works during the.
Those new ones, they're gross.
Absolutely nothing of those boxes.
Sometimes. But in scores, it's a 650 card set, so you're gonna get everything.
Oh, so they cut out the location? Oh, no, it's 700.
Okay, that's well, he's getting body count. That, I guess I don't even know who that is, but still.
Well, they design themselves.
Yeah.
Do you have a drink?
Yeah, well, there's water right there. Cody's there when you can ask for that. Here, give me that. I'll put that on. We'll put them up for now. Yeah, a little bit more later on. Although I have some fruit too later on. Cody, will you pass him that water right there?
Winnipeg.
As soon as you're
1
done.
minute.
Okay? As soon as you're done.
Then McDonald. There you go.
Here, Sammy. Here, Samantha.
Bye.